guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to do a quick oil change on this '07 Toyota Avalon. And this is the oil that it recommended right here. Shows as you can see, I don't know if you can see it, it's real sunny so I can't really see properly, but I recommend 5W30. And the tools that you need, of course, you're going to need a jack, and you're going to need a jack stand, and you need this clamp right here, and also you're going to need a 15 millimeter socket. The clamp right here is to basically break this loose. This is where the filter located, to break it loose, and the socket right here is basically to pop this loose also. Take off this 15 millimeter bolt. Since I already loosened it, guys, let's get down to business. We're about to drain some oil. Try to get a good clarity as possible. Might get a little messy. Yes. And as you can see, the oil is draining. It's really black, really dirty. Look at my hands. It's really dirty, guys. It's been probably what, 3,000? Probably about 6,000 miles tops. So see how easy, this is how easy an oil change really is. But then again, different cars is different. So, but this one is for the Toyota Avalon. Put that there at the side. I'm gonna wait until this drains out. Then we're gonna get to the filter. Yeah, the oil is really, really dirty. Edit this. Let's get to the filter. We're almost done. Wasn't that bad. It's your oil catcher. I bought this at Walmart for like 10 bucks, I think. This is 16 quarts, so it holds 16 quarts of oil. Tops. Okay, guys, I'm gonna get to the filter. Draining out slowly. You guys see it? Take it all out. It's real dirty. This is easy, real easy, and you actually save also. Save a lot of money by doing it yourself, and you actually know what you're doing, because if you go to like probably to certain shops, they basically could pour any oil, or sometimes they don't do they really don't change the oil, just say that they change it, and you basically could be screwing up your engine. So I do my own oil change, and it comes out cheaper that way. I always go to Walmart to purchase the filter and purchase the oil, and I also purchase the tools also at Walmart. See, this is the old filter. I'm about to replace it with a new one. Yeah, so Walmart is the way to go because it's cheaper. So guys, I'm gonna replace the filter. Hold on. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm using the K&N filter, which is PS 7020 KN, and it said performance silver oil filter. So it's going to match the oil that I'm actually using, because I'm using the high performance, the extended performance oil. Here go the seals. The seal is actually right there. Make sure you replace the seal every time when you change your oil. It's very important. And to replace the filter, all you have to do is just pop it in. You don't really have to do nothing. Just pop it in just like this. Just push it down. And it's simple as that. Alright, I'm going to replace this seal. It's kind of hard me doing it with one hand and holding the camera. So I'm going to just edit this part out. But it's easy. You just take off the seal and just replace it with this one. So hold on, guys. Okay, guys, I replaced the seal. And I'm about to pour some of this oil in there. Yeah, don't really have to fill it, just to lubricate it when you get, so you don't get a dry start. And I'm using this oil, as you can see, Castro Edge Extended Performance, guaranteed protection up to 15,000 miles, advanced full synthetic motor oil. So let me put back up that filter where it belongs, which is up there. And as I said, I have a hard time holding the camera and do it. This should take you guys like about 5 minutes to complete tops. It shouldn't take that long. And you don't really need the tool to tighten the filter. You just basically need to hand tighten it. That's all you basically need to do. Yeah, that's basically all you need to do, to hand tighten it. Okay, that's good. That's back in. And this is the 15mm bolt. Put it back where it belongs. Try to get this out of the way. Straining the oil. Right here. Oh, I can't really see. Yes, put it back where it belongs. Just like so. Leaks. Swipe down the oil pan, and you want to like give it a little snug. Yeah, give it a little snug to tighten it, just like this, and that should be good. You don't need to over tighten it because you don't want to strip the threads. So let me get to the top and pour the oil in, guys. Hold on. Okay, guys, I'm back at the top, and this specified vehicle takes 6 quarts of oil. That's right, 6 quarts. This is a V6 engine. This is basically like the Lexus ES350. Both of them got the same engine. It's a V6, and I think it's a 5.3 liter or 3.5. I'm gonna put the correction in the description because I can't really remember right now. I'll tell you guys. So basically, bought these two at Walmart. This is the 5 gallon. The 5 quarts. So yep, this is the 5 quarts, guys. So already pour one. This basically it. After you finish pouring it, put back the cover on, start your motor, let it run for like, I say about 2 minutes, 1 to 2 minutes. Make sure the oil lubricate the engine, make sure you check for any leaks, and that's basically an oil change, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Please leave a comment if you have any questions, and I will answer them. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for passing by my channel. And as I said, I'm using Castrol Edge. This is the extended performance. Give you 15,000 miles. I trust in Castrol because I've been using this for years, since I had my first vehicle. I never had no engine problem. Even running it to 15,000 miles, I never have no engine problem. I have basically 163,000 miles on this vehicle right now, on this Toyota Avalon. I don't have no engine problems. So thank you for watching once again. Please like, subscribe. Take care, and bye bye.